Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to study the chapter 1 of our English reader book. And what is the name of this chapter? It is The Canary. In this chapter, we will study about a bird canary. Canary is a little yellow bird. As we all know that animals and birds are also living beings like us. They too need food and water and also a home to live in. They also need love and care. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Do you have a pet? Or are you planning to keep a pet bird or animal? If yes, first of all, you will have to answer these questions. Like, what kind of home do you prepare for the pet? Who will look after your pet when you go to school? What kind of food will your pet need? Or who will train your pet? So, these are some questions which you need to answer before keeping any animal as pet. I am sure you know people who keep lots of birds as pets, like sparrows, pigeons, parrots, and also canary. Canaries? I'm sure you must not be knowing anything about this bird. Okay, let me add on to your knowledge. So, this yellow colored bird is canary. This bird. And it is a yellow little bird 3 to 4 inches in length. So, very small in length, no, very less. It is generally found in Canarian Islands in Africa. It eats sugar, seeds, and plants. A canary is a very friendly bird. Children, since now you have idea what a canary is, let us now move on to the text. So let us start with this story. I hope you all will enjoy this story. I'm going through this. Be with me and also read along with me. So let us start. Somu's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. Somu named her Molly. Molly sang softly and sweetly. At first, Somu looked after the bird. Each day he cleaned her cage, gave her seeds and fresh water. At tea time, he gave her a lump of sugar. So, this is the story of a boy named as Somu and a bird, canary, named as Molly. Story starts something like this. It is Somu's birthday, and as you get gift on your birthday, in the same way Somu also got a gift on his birthday from his father. And what was the gift? Yes, a little yellow canary. Canary is a bird, you know. Somu felt very happy getting this gift, and he named this bird as Molly. Molly sang very sweet. Since Somu was very happy, so he looked after the bird nicely. Each day, every day, he used to clean her cage, gave her food and water. And not only this, at tea time, he gave her her favorite food, that is sugar. See here in this picture how Somu and his friends, they are enjoying with Canary, and Molly is also very happy. She is singing sweetly and all are having fun with each other. Now next part of the story is something like this. Molly was very happy in her case. Molly's friends were very jealous of her. Somu's friends would come to see Molly every day. She would sing sweet songs for them. After some weeks, Somu lost interest in Molly. Now it was no longer fun to look after her. One day he did not clean the cage. Another day he did not feed her. And then, worst of all, he forgot to give her water. So, in the starting, Somu was very happy with Molly and she looked after her very nicely. Molly was also very happy in her case, and Molly's friends were jealous of her. Why? Because staying inside the cage, Molly was getting everything. She had not to go out in search of food and water like her friends. So her friends, they felt jealous. Somu's friends would come to see Molly every day. Every day, Somu's friends also came to enjoy with Molly. And Molly, she sang songs for Somu and his friends. After some weeks, what happened? Somu lost interest in Molly. He had no more interest in Molly. Slowly, what happened? He stopped looking after this bird. Earlier, he was giving food and water to Molly, sugar also. But slowly, as the days passed, Somu stopped taking care of her. One day he did not clean the cage. Molly had to be in dirty cage. Then next day he did not feed her, did not give her food, seeds. And worst of all, it's very bad that he also did not give water to that bird. We all know water is how important for us. We can't survive without water, isn't it? So, for Molly also, it became very tough to survive and she became very sad. Molly was very unhappy. Somu loved her no longer and she could not sing because she was so thirsty. She went to her water dish hoping there might be just a drop of, but there wasn't any. Now Molly, she became very sad, very unhappy because Somu no more he loved that bird, and since she was not getting food and water, so she became very weak and also she could not sing. She went to her water dish. Inside her case, there was a dish in which Somu used to give her water. So, this bird, this Molly, she went to her water dish hoping that there might be just a drop of water. But very disappointing, there was not any drop of water there. see how this bird is calling Somu, no, for having water. She is feeling thirsty, she is feeling hungry, and she wants food and water, and that's why tweet tweet she is calling Somu for food and water. Tweet tweet called Molly loudly, but Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun and took no notice of the little bird. She cried, and her friends felt very sorry for her. Tears ran down her face. Oh, I am in this case, and I can't get out to find food and water for myself, she said. So Molly, she called loudly Somu for giving water and food. But Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun. See, he has got a new toy gun and he was busy playing with that only. And he took no notice of the little bird. Molly cried and her friends felt very sorry for her. Earlier, those friends who were feeling jealous of Molly, now they were feeling sorry for her. Molly started crying. Oh, I am in this case. She thought that I am in this case, so I can't go out to find food. One side, Somu is not giving her food and water. Another side, she herself cannot go out because she was inside the case. So she was very sad. Chirpy the sparrow was sad too and said, "We wish we could help you." The little canary drooped her little yellow head and prayed to God. Early next morning, Somu's mother came to wake him. She was surprised when she did not hear the sweet voice of the canary. Now, one of the friends of Molly was a sparrow named as Chirpy. So, Chirpy, she was also very sad seeing the condition of Molly, and she said, "We wish we could help you." So, all the friends of Molly, they wanted to help Molly. The little Molly, she was inside the cage, so nothing could be done. She drooped her little yellow head and prayed to God because no one other can help her. Then next morning what happened? Somu's mother, she came to wake Somu. She was surprised when she did not hear the sweet voice of the canary. Since every day canary, she was singing sweetly, but that day mom, she did not hear any sweet song of Molly, so she got surprised. She peered into the cage. Molly was lying there half dead. Somu's mother took her out of the cage carefully and stroked her yellow feathers. She fed the little bird with fresh seeds and water. She was very angry with her son. "Somu, what a dreadful thing! If you can't look after this poor creature, you have no right to keep it. I'm so ashamed of you," said the mother. Somu burst into tears and felt sorry. Thereafter, he looked after Molly, the little canary, very well. So when Somu's mother did not hear sweet song of Molly, she peered into the case. Peered means she just peeped, looked inside the case. And what she saw there? Molly was lying there half dead. Half dead means she has gone very weak. Somu's mother took her out of the case carefully. Since Molly had gone very weak, so Somu's mother took her out of the case carefully and stroked her feather lovingly, right? Stroked her feather, put her hands lovingly on her body, on her feathers. She fed the little bird with fresh seeds and water. Somu's mother got that this Molly is hungry and also thirsty. So she provided seeds and water first of all to the little canary. She was very angry with her son, and then she got angry with her son. See, she scolded her son. Somu, what a dreadful thing. If you can't look after this poor creature, you have no right to keep it. So she scolded her son like this: if you can't take care, no need of keeping any pet. I'm so ashamed of you. So she felt ashamed of her son. Somu burst into tears when he heard these words of his mom. He started crying. He realized his mistake. He felt sorry. And thereafter, he looked after Molly, the little canary, very well. So, after knowing his mistake, after realizing his mistake, Somu started taking care of Molly again, and then thereafter both of them they lived happily. Somu was also very happy with Canary, and Canary was also very happy with Somu. So, what is the moral of this story? What did you learn? That all the birds and animals, they are also the living beings, and they also need food and water for their survival. So we should love them, we should take care of them, because they are our friends. So students, I think you all have enjoyed this story. Now what you have to do, you have to read this story twice, because reading sparks imagination and stimulates our curiosity. In our next class, we will write the difficult words of this story. Thank you.